Hey guys, 405080 here. We got a unboxing, and yes, it is definitely a giant box of cookies. So I'll get this opened up and get back to you. Alright, I got the box open. So let's go ahead and open this up. See what kind of devices we got here. It's gonna be some good stuff. Alright. So first of all, we have a very rare device. I believe I'm the first on YouTube to have one of these. Well, at least to make a video on one. It is a Wheelock horn strobe. It is a es-el1, or sorry, I am having a stroke. es-el1-ws-24. So yeah, this thing is really cool. And I think it has multiple tones too, but I don't know for sure. Going back into this box, we have another device in here. It is a Notifier NBG12. And this is a key reset model. So yeah, I haven't had a key reset model before. So yeah, it's a very nice pull station. Getting deeper in here, I have a second one of these extremely rare horn strobes. So yeah, this is really cool. This one seems to have like a screw or something bouncing around in it, but it should be good. Yeah, second one of these horn strobes. I believe last but not least, we have a pull station. It is another es-el1-ws-24 station. So yeah, I now own two es-el1-ws-24 pull stations. And this one looks to be an older model than my current one. Or, I don't know. But yeah, it is a very cool device. So yeah, that is going to wrap this unboxing up. I am really happy with these devices. Thank you so much to the person who sold them to me. I got a very good deal on them. And I can't wait to put these up and test them. They are very cool. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.